Hi lovelies, you're welcome or welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be making this creamy yogurt. It's made from home and it's super creamy, and it's made from powdered milk. If this sounds like something you're interested in, then stay tuned. Let me show you how to make this super creamy yogurt with just 2 ingredients. Firstly, we need powdered milk. Any full cream powdered milk will do, and we need 500 grams or half a kilogram of full cream powdered milk. We will be mixing in a food flask. We'll explain the reason as the video progresses. So into our food flask, we add in 1 liter of room temperature water. And then into that water, we add in our powdered milk. And using a whisk, we gently mix till the milk dissolves. If it's your first time stopping by, you're most welcome. Hit the subscribe button to join this beautiful family where we share amazing recipes, kitchen tips, and health tips. And once the milk is fully dissolved in the water, we pour in 1 liter of boiled water. And using our whisk, we gently stir. And it's time for us to test the temperature. The right temperature for fermentation is 46 degrees, or you should be able to feel it comfortably with your finger. And once that is done, it's time for us to introduce our culture. You can use any yogurt with live culture in it. And so we measured out 1/3 a cup of our yogurt with active culture in it. And then we stir that in gently. I always prefer using a food flask to ferment my yogurt because it ensures that warm temperature favorable for fermentation to take place effectively. No failure once you use a food flask. So we gently cover our flask and we let it ferment for at least 8 hours. If you like that tanginess in yogurt, then extend your fermentation to about 12 to 16 hours. If at all you enjoy that sour yogurt taste. I actually fermented mine for 16 hours, and this is what we got. Just look at that. It's so creamy. At this point, if you like your yogurt very smooth, you can pour everything in a blender and you blend to have that smooth consistency, or you go in with an immersion blender and you gently blend. But take note that once you blend, it's going to be a bit runny. It's going to lighten up the consistency. For me, I just like my yogurt with this consistency. So at this point, you can choose to add in some sugar or any other sweetener of your choice like honey, stevia, and so on. I just decided to add in a little bit of red food color to see how it looks like with some color in it. Tell me in the comment section, which do you prefer? The pink or the white? So our yogurt is ready, and you can go ahead to serve it with whatsoever you like, with some fruits, with some granola, whatsoever way you like to serve your yogurt, just go ahead. Our yogurt is ready. Thanks so much for watching. Stay blessed, and I'll see you in another video. Bye bye.